New Delhi sees a warm, humid day on 19th June 2025. Temperatures range between 29 degrees Celsius and 37.1 degrees Celsius. There is an 87% chance of patchy rain today. Humidity stands at 53% with moderate winds. Winds are blowing at 16.2 kilometers per hour. Residents should carry umbrellas and stay hydrated. Overcast skies mark the start of the day. Scattered showers likely in the late afternoon. UV index is low at 2.4 today. Humidity increases the heat's impact. Winds may pick up slightly in the evening. Evening breeze offers relief from heat. Post 6 p.m. is ideal for outdoor plans. Wear light, breathable clothes today. Keep windows open when rain eases.